Hi everyone, I'm Margie, a teaching and learning coordinator here at Kami, and in this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to get started with Kami App and Schoology. From opening an assignment to giving students that smooth first Kami experience. I'm going to show you by the end of this video how fast and easy it is to get started. Before we dive in case you're wondering, why is she saying Kami App instead of Kami? It's because Kami has grown. Our company, Kami, now has multiple products to help keep your students' learning visible, accessible, and meaningful across classrooms. Today, I'm going to focus just on Kami App and how you can get started inside of Schoology with your students. So, maybe you're like me. I'm a former educator and instructional technology coach, and I've been in education for almost 20 years. During my time in the classroom, I always wanted to build community at the beginning of the year with my students. But I also needed to teach them Schoology and how to find things in our learning management system. Sometimes I wasn't always sure where to start or what I should give them first. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can help really launch things smoothly with your class this year. And believe me, it only takes a couple of minutes. So let's dive right in. To get started, you only need 3 things: a Kami account connected to your school or district, a Schoology course, and the file that you want to use with your students. That file can be anything. So although Kami's best known as being a PDF annotation tool, know that it works with anything you're using to teach. That could be a PDF, a Google Doc, slides, an image that you want to annotate on. It could be an existing handout or worksheet from your curriculum. Whatever it is you need to use with your students, Kami's got your back. All you need to know is, where is that file and what is it called to get started? Now, if you've already got a file, know that you can bring that in from Kami from your computer, or it could be saved in your Google Drive or OneDrive because Kami works with both Google and Microsoft. If you don't already have a file, you can head over to our Kami library, which is just part of our website, and it's home to thousands of free templates, one of which I'm going to be showing you today. Let's dive in. Now for me, I've already got a copy of the file that I want saved here in my Google Drive. It's this one, about building classroom community. If you're looking at the file inside your Google Drive, you can simply click the 3 dots, open with, and choose Annotate with Kami. Or if you're in the preview, you can choose Open with, Annotate with Kami to open your file. Now, I always like to open things ahead of time and check them out. Make sure everything is exactly as I want it to be, and I like to also grab the comment tool and leave some quick directions on the file for my students. But if you're just getting started, know that you don't have to do anything ahead of time to be able to use it with your students. You can head right over into Schoology and get started. So first, let me navigate to my Schoology course. I'm going to click Add Materials, and I'm going to choose Kami from the list of external tools on the right. From here, I just need to navigate to my file. You can attach things from wherever they live in your drive, choose right from the Kami library on our website, or from your computer. Since mine's on my Google Drive, I'll head over there, and I'm going to go to my recent file since I just had it open, grab the one I want, and hit Select. From here, I can give it a title that I want to use with my students. I'm going to call this Community Builder Project Week 1 for my course. And most importantly, my favorite, Feature Control. With Feature Control, that's something I only have when I'm using Kami App. inside a Schoology, I can set exactly what I want my students to have access to on their toolbar. So although I see all the tools and features as a teacher, I can customize the experience for my students and just give them what they need. You can turn on or off parts of tools, entire tools, whatever you need to help your students be successful. So for this one, I'm just going to quickly scroll through and enable the things that they need based on the activity that I'm having them do. And then I'm going to check out the additional features. You can turn on or off their ability to do all sorts of things, from using accessibility features like voice typing and spell check, all the way to whether or not they can use copy and paste or add extra pages. Once you've got everything set the way you like, simply click confirm and then attach your file. We're almost done. Easy peasy. Once the file is attached, I'll go back into my Schoology course and a pop-up will appear automatically. From here, you can just scroll down to see the bottom of the pop-up and set things the way you normally do for your Schoology assignments if it's a graded assignment. If you're not grading this assignment, simply uncheck Enable Grading and then save changes. My assignment is now ready to go inside my Schoology course. It's that quick and easy. So a few steps and some tips that I'll leave you with. When you're assigning things for the first time, in order to make sure your students have the smoothest start, consider the cognitive load. Start with something that is a low stakes activity like community building or a review of material they've already learned. Keep it simple and clear directions. Use things like the comment tool to add directions in a variety of multimodal formats. And customize the experience. Do like I did and use feature control to limit this toolbar so that students can really dig in with the features that are going to help them most. Be sure to check out all the videos in our series for more tips like this, and thanks for watching.